PRT Performance in Lewisville because Daniel's Supra is finally ready to tune. We're doing the E85 tune today, and it was tuned for pump gas earlier this week, so we're excited to see what power it makes. Are you excited? Doing better, but still down on power because we have some weak ignition coils. Alright, so we were experiencing some breakup when we turned up the boost on the Supra, so we didn't get a good clean pull this time, and 2 of the ignition coils were replaced, but it looks like we're going to go ahead and have to replace all of them, and that's one of the last original things on the car, so we kind of knew that was coming, so we're going to do that and then try again. Alright, so we weren't able to go back out to PRT today for the second round of dyno tuning, but we had the team at PRT send us a video. It made 660 horsepower at 30 pounds of boost, so we're really happy that it made it through the pulls, and we're going to leave it alone for now and just kind of enjoy it, and hopefully it'll be home soon.